and welcome to Hotel Tarangan. This hotel is known for its exceptionally captivating ambience that seems to be straight out of the sky. It's always in full bloom, just like the flowers. The manager and waiter here are known to create a wonderful atmosphere by sharing the beauty of the stars with the guests. There isn't a single room available because they are all occupied. They say that even if there were 2 empty rooms, they would not give them away because something or the other is always amiss in those rooms. It could be due to various reasons like misinterpretation, misunderstandings, superstitions, blind faith, etc. It seems that their understanding is limited in some way. No matter where you look, there is a chaos in our lives. This is just a thought from their perspective. But why don't you take a look at their events, which will unfold in secrecy? The story begins one night when a thief snuck into the hotel.
Our official duty has ended. Still we continue working. Hey, run fast. That thief must have ran away that way.
Seen any thief nearby?
He went that side.
Let's go.
Hey, anyone available?
Hey, come out fast. Pay attention here.
Who are you?
Anyone here?
Who are you?
Hey, police department.
Department?
She is the Rodam Dake.
Dake and Tarode? Police have such funny surnames.
Hey, shut up. Don't try to be smart. Our surname jokes have become stale now. Anyone in there? Anyone in there?
Sorry. But is this the time to raid? Huh? This is the time to raid the bar and snow hard.
We are not here for a raid.
So do you want a room? To booze and snooze?
Hey, just shut your mouth. Hey, do you think we are here for honeymoon? You offering us a room?
How do I know that, boss?
You need a tight slap. Just answer whatever is asked.
Come on, talk fast.
Ha! I am here.
It's me. What? It's me.
Hey, I only answered whatever was asked. You ask, who is here? I say, I am here.
Hey, you fool. Have you seen unknown person?
Hey, no. Our hotel is anyways in interior area. So customer are very less. And it's an off season now.
These bloody dirty fellow, tell us fast. Seen any unknown person?
Hey, not like that. Has anybody checked in right now in this hotel?
Only one person. Businessman. Somewhere near Solapur or Kolhapur.
Not that person. Anyone visited here right now?
Yes, you both.
Hey, not about us. Anyone has secretly barged in here?
No. I sleep here only. And there is nothing to steal here. Bananas. Only 4-5 them. Must be in kitchen. That's it.
Okay. Be watchful of it.
Of what? Bananas?
Why on bananas?
So that they don't get stolen.
Hey, you answer properly.
Not on bananas, you moron. On thieves. If you see someone, inform us immediately. Come on, Dakya.
Who is it?
None is here, only myself.
Oh, then it's okay. Hope you are not a thief.
No, absolutely not.
Even if you are a thief, police are looking around for someone like you. Must be keen on meeting.
Oh, okay. We'll catch up with them.
Dake Darode had told me to inform them if I see thief-like person. Why should I inform? Let them find on their own. Time to sleep now.
Good morning, Lele.
What is so good about this morning? My head is paining a lot.
See, the Lele thing is, our head is overshaped. It goes around like an orbit, so that paining point changes.
How is it paining? From where exactly it is paining? Cannot understand it.
It must be yesterday's hangover, Lele.
Huh?
Yeah. You both late yesterday. You don't keep a tab on the amount of drinking. But the next day fountain was in head.
Ha.
Hey Lele, you drink so much as if there is no tomorrow. Drinky.
What drinky? Who is drinky? What are you talking, Motabai?
Not drinky. Drink. You drink till the bar was closed.
Not like that. Actually, I can only drink when I am out of Kolhapur. I don't drink otherwise.
Why? Why this? Is drink ban in Kolhapur?
No, ban is not in Kolhapur. Ban is applicable only to me. When the entire Kolhapur is drinking, I am keeping.
Isn't why?
Wife, very strong she is.
It means stronger than alcohol?
Much stronger than alcohol, I tell you. Whenever I consume any liquid drink, she checks the drink first to ensure I am not drinking alcohol. And only after the quality control I can drink it.
Oh, this is stunning.
Array, all the tricks of a drunkard person she knows. Like rum in thumbs up, Sprite in vodka. Even if I start consuming coconut water, that is also examined before.
You see, Mr. Lele, women are smarter than us. And they study better than us. Their favorite subject is their husband. So they study them deeply.
Please don't mention that study things, Motabai. My head begins aching more and more. I never studied in my life. Instead of reading the study books, I used to read other kind of things.
But did you not get caught for the same?
No, never get caught. Because all my actions are chori, chupke.
He is as good as thief only.
Don't play word games. See, I am not in a mood to play games. Please bring me out of this hangover first.
Two ways to remove the hangover.
What?
First, is continue the same brand of alcohol. And second, drink lemon water.
Lemon water. Lemon water will do.
Yes, I was suggested the same.
Just a minute. See, I am not interested in your timetable. Send the lemon juice first. Hello.
Hello, Papa.
Yeah. Hello, Suki.
Hey, Papa, not again that Suki.
Arey, it's okay, yaar. Okay, Sukanya, not Suki, okay?
Okay, let it be. Tell me in which hotel you have been checked in.
Me? I have checked in Hotel Tarangan now.
Well, me and Mom have arrived here.
What?
We are on the way.
What the need? But what are...
Okay.
Hello?
Okay, bye.
Suki,
Bye.
listen.
Bye.
Why are you coming? Hello? She hung up the phone, not even listening properly. She will never listen. Then why force anyone to listen? And if you listen, why is the other person not listening to us? See, listening things must get listened often. What do you think? Tell me.
Cool down, Lele. And tell me one thing, who is the Suki? Your fiancé?
Daughter of mine, just the reflection of her mother. Send the lemon juice, please.
Yes, we'll send.
Whatever I told you, I hope you understood that. Okay, Sakshi and Anjali, I expect you both to complete the work and report me till evening. Okay? You can leave.
हेलो
हेलो मोटा भाई,
मनोताई, इट्स दैट यू?
I won't come to work from today onwards. I have purposefully not completed my work, which you have to complete by yourself.
Hey, how can you do such thing?
Whatever I am saying, keep in mind or write it down or you will forget.
One minute. Just a minute, I will write it down. Tell me.
You should complete all your bank work by yourself.
Banking related. You should do all work?
While going, lock the locker.
Ensure the locker is locked once you leave. Hey, I know it already.
Lady Mota bhai, your mind is always wandering. You will remember it na Mota bhai.
We'll keep it. Ram Bharose. Hey, Ram Bharose.
Yes, Mota bhai.
Hey, how come such a strange name? Ram Bharose.
Mota bhai, my surname is Bharose. My name is only Ram.
Yes, I know only Ram. How old, but the total name is Ram Bharose only, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, tell me. How much tablet did you take yesterday, Kanta Sudharak?
Me? But why should I eat your tablets? That Kanta Sudharak.
No. The thing is, since morning, you are constantly screaming out my name. So just ask.
You don't understand it. A sky problem has crashed on my head.
Again?
Hey.
15 days ago you had said the same thing. Today again?
Huh? How did you know?
Mona has left the job, right?
How did you know it?
Before her, Tina, Meena, Reena had also left the job and you had said the same thing. A mountain has crashed on my head.
Hey man, how can these girls behave like this? How suddenly they quit their job?
Yes, I agree. How come? They suddenly quit and leave you. I think you are the problematic dose.
Dose? What is the relevance of dose here?
Not dosa. Problematic dose.
Okay, got it. But what do you mean by that?
You must be paying less salary. Or maybe if they eat here, you must be deducting the money from their salary. For the same, or if they are late, you must be marking it as a full day leave.
Hey man, these are the standard rules of hotel business. How can I run the hotel without these rules?
Other than salary, you implement all rules strictly. It does not apply to me since I stay here. So no question of coming late. And when you offer me the job, I was promised food and drinks along with salary. So no worries.
Hey man, stop this blabbering. Listen about the room number 111 of Mr. Lele.
Why should I take in room number 111?
Hey, no need of taking anything. Our customer Mr. Lele, room number 111. Give him the lemon juice for hangover.
Hey Mota bhai, no stock of vegetable has arrived, so lemon are out of stock.
Hey, pick up from yesterday's old stock and give it to him.
Those old lemons are completely dry up and can be served as a kharka.
Huh? That's how it is? Oh God, but his head is swinging hard. If we don't give him extract for hangover, he will chew up our brain.
Mota bhai, shall I give him yesterday's night leftover alcohol pack?
You do anything you wish, but tell me, bar opens at 12 p.m., right?
Yes, but we have the keys to open the bar.
You do what you want, but make sure to cool down his head, else he will eat up our brains.
Okay, fine.
Hey, Ram Bharose, where are you leaving me alone here?
Mota bhai, I am not leaving you.
Hey, do one thing. Take this passbook and get it updated urgently. Mona had told me about this.
Mota bhai, you follow orders from your ex-employees?
Hey, it is not like that. It is an important work have told me to do it.
Okay, I will do it. Do one thing. Take this pen and write down.
Take this.
Room number 111.
Huh?
Give Lele an extract for alcohol.
Huh?
Room number 110.
Huh?
Bedsheet change
Huh?
and unloading vegetable. Stock once it arrives.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mota bhai, this is for you. See, I will get your work done. A passbook updation. So you will be doing my work.
Oh, hey, what is this? I will be doing all this work?
Yes, Mota bhai. I understand you. You understand me.
Got it. You do your work. I will get the passbook updated.
Thank you, Mota bhai. Thank you. Hey, what kind of bag? These customers bring all sort of funny things with them. Let's see. Where is Mota bhai? Ha. What must be in this bag? Let it be. I am not concerned about it. What should I do with this bag? Ha. We'll keep it here. Owner will collect it from here.
Hey, what are you doing here?
It's me. I work here. What are you doing here?
What I am doing here? I have checked in the hotel. I have paid the money.
No, not like that. I mean, what are you doing in this lounge?
That man that was before, where is him?
I'm right here only since morning.
No, not you. That person was different.
Different?
Ah,
Something before and now also. I am the same person. How can I look different?
no, yaar. He was talking in a different way.
Different style?
Yes.
Means?
I mean, he had in general about sex. He had a little knowledge.
Hey, Mr. Lele, you are talking obscene, derogatory, unparliamentary.
See, I am talking correct. Sex means in reference to grammar. I mean, तू इतना काय करती और वो लोग कहाँ गई? This type of talking.
Got it. You are talking about our Mota bhai, the manager of this hotel.
Yes, वो किधर गई?
She went outside. What did you want from she?
क्या काम है नहीं? मेरा डोका चढ़नी.
Where?
Climbing means not climbing on the hills or stairs. My head is high means my head is paining a lot. That Mota bhai was supposed to send lemon juice to me.
Yes. Just bringing the lemon juice.
Bringing means where is the lemon? Where is the water?
Oh, the lemons have not arrived yet.
Not arrived? What do you mean? There is no season for lemons like mangoes and jackfruits.
Hey, not like that. They have not arrived means not like they are being produced.
So,
You see, vegetable vendor comes at around 1 p.m. No, 2 p.m. Or maybe he will arrive by 3 to 4 p.m. Definitely then I will bring the lemons.
what's the use then? Such a big hotel of yours and there is no lemon in the kitchen. No mango, no orange, I can understand, but no lemon. No lemon in the hotel.
No. We always have a big stock of it in our hotel.
That's what I'm saying.
As of now, don't have it.
Why?
You see, lot of customers drunk vodka in our bar yesterday. And they also take gin.
Vodka drinkers squeeze the lemon in the drink, I know. But why would people wearing jeans squeeze lemon?
Hey. Not those wearing gin.
Then,
Gin drinkers, gin. They squeeze lemon in their drink.
yes, I know that. My head is spinning but I have not lost the control. But it's a big headache. How do I remove the hangover?
Take one peg for the same. Best idea.
What best? The bar opens at 12 p.m. That's what said your Motia.
Motia? Yes. Mota bhai.
Yes, that's that.
don't worry. You will get the drink in your hands in few seconds, few hours.
Sure, will I?
Don't worry.
My head is spinning. Before it whirls, I need a glass of drink. Okay? Haan.
Keep waiting. Hey, hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Me? It means I'm fine. Hey, hello. Have we met before?
Isha,
Isha, what means? Tell me, have we met before?
you ask such naughty questions.
Hey, lady, we have asked a simple questions. Have we met before?
No. You asked where did we met before? Now you asked have we met before?
Is it? Sorry. Tell me, have we met before?
Why are you asking this?
Hey, you ask me how I am doing on seeing me. So, I ask you in a similar way.
Oh, okay. Not like that. Is the general norm to greeting each other so?
Oh, okay. So, tell me, have we met before?
No, absolutely not. Myself Sushma Taude Gaude.
Taude Gaude? For the first time, I am hearing such a joint surname. Either the surname is Taude or either the Gaude.
Hey, not like that. You see, my mother's home surname is Taude or my future in-laws will be Gaude.
Oh, yes, it means you are married.
40% yes.
40% marriage. Such a marriage is also valid.
I have come from Fursungi.
So what?
Isha.
Hey sister, just ask a simple question and again you are blushing.
Isha.
Again that.
Isha. Our honeymoon is planned.
In 40%?
For sure 100%.
Yes, that's right. Once honeymoon happen, it will not only 100% but 1000% will happen.
Isha.
Please don't blush. Where is he? Where is your 40% mister?
Isha, you talk such nonsense. Parsha has arrived from Vadala this morning. In which ward is he? Has he got a special ward book?
What? Special? Hey lady, has you come for a honeymoon or maternity?
Isha, you talk such nonsense things.
I am not talking anything nonsense. You are talking nonsense, auntie. This is a hotel, not a hospital here. There are rooms, not wards.
Okay. Sorry. In which room is Parsha staying?
No one named Parsha or Birsha has arrived here.
How is it possible? Parsha Gaude means Prashant Gaude. His name must be in your register. Check it properly once.
Hey sister, no need of checking it. No one customer has checked in since morning.
Hey, you are not lying?
Why would I be lying?
How can Parsha do this? Is he trying to cheat me? If he is trying to cheat me, then I will kill him. You can told him that.
Me? I have not seen him in my entire life.
Hey, not you. How can he do this? What should I do now? A single girl checking in a hotel does not look good. Tell me, what will people think about me?
Now, how do I know what people think of you?
Forget about people. What will you think of me?
What I am thinking is, please cool down. Call him on his mobile number. Maybe he is a 40% on road and you must have reached a bit earlier, isn't it?
Yes, we'll do that. Oh no, my mobile battery is dead. Now what I do? Parsha is such a...
Don't cry, don't cry. Take it, my mobile, and call him.
Thank you so much. Hey, Parsha's number is not saved on your phone.
Obviously, it won't be saved.
Why? You didn't save his number?
Why should I save? I don't even know him.
Oh yes. Once he arrives, I will introduce him to you. Then you save his number. But now what to do? I do?
You must have his number saved. 40%, your husband.
Yes, I remember the number.
Then type the number and call him.
Huh. Hello Parsha. Hello Parsha. Where are you? I have come down alone for honeymoon. Let it be. Where are you right now? What are you planning now? How does it matter whose number is this? And why did that number connect? These are irrelevant questions. Where are you right now? Tell me. Okay. Come fast. Parsha, I'm waiting for presents. Okay, hanging up. Now he has gotten down from station bus now.
Is it? You can sit here. Wait for him. Till then our manager, Mota Bhai, will come.
Why is he needed? Parsha is needed now.
Hey, our hotel manager works here. Obviously he will come here. If he does not arrive, how will you get the access to room?
Yes. Tell him to come quickly. He also must have got down from the bus, no?
No, he never boarded the bus. He has just gone for some bank related work. He will be here shortly. Keep waiting. If he doesn't arrive, inform me.
Why should I inform you? If he does not arrive, are you planning for honeymoon?
Oh God, it is difficult communicating with you. Parsha is a great soul. Parsha will arrive, and if he doesn't, I will find him from Patal. Don't worry. I have some work. I will leave now.
Where is Mr. Lele?
How do I know?
How do I know? Then what the hell are you doing here?
What I am doing here? I have not come here for observe Mr. Lele. I am not watching him 24/7.
Such an ill-mannered lady she is.
She does not know how to talk properly with customers.
You might be the customer of this hotel. I am not.
Hey, listen, but you work here, right?
Where it is I am. There is none of your business. And Mr. Lele is not a Parsha, okay? I am not looking his face. Understood?
Hey, stupid. Don't try to defame Mr. Lele by comparing him to some filmy hero.
Which film? Parsha is the name of my 40% husband.
40% husband means?
Means 60% formalities are pending.
That's all right. But now you're working here, right? So concentrate on this work.
What?
What means? Just tell me in which room Mr. Lele had checked in. We are not asking to keep an eye on him or observe his face daily. We have just asked your work related questions.
मेरा काम? ओह, अरे नहीं. मैं कुछ इस होटल की वर्कर नहीं हूँ. मैं भी कस्टमर हूँ.
अरे लेकिन फिर यहाँ रिसेप्शन काउंटर के पीछे क्यों खड़ी हो?
Oh, I was just wandering around and reached here unexpectedly.
Listening here is just like a place of a wonderland.
The job is done. Hey, something's wrong. Some sort of confusion. This is not our hotel. Hey, Ram Bharose, you also got confused, isn't it? This is not our hotel. We have arrived at a different hotel.
Mota bhai, I am not confused. This is our hotel.
Yes, this is our hotel. Hey, reception desk was empty for some time, and look, there are 3 ladies already here. Do you know what this means? Our hotel is either getting popular or social media presence is powerful.
No. It's not like that, Mota bhai. These are our hotel customers. I will leave now. Have a lot of work to be done.
I will look after him. Sorry, gentle ladies. You had to wait some time. How can I help you?
Lele. Mr. Lele, where is he?
Please ask her which room has he checked in.
Huh? Mr. Lele, right? He is in room number 111. Huh? Who are you?
Mrs. Lele. Lele's daughter.
Great. But I don't get it. How will all of you manage in a single room? Huh?
And we'll let you know. In case we need, we can get an extra bed, right?
Yes. But then Mr. Lele will have to sleep on the floor.
That will decide and let you know.
But what about our luggage?
Huh? What will happen to your luggage?
Nothing has happened to our luggage.
Then?
But need someone to carry the same to our room, right?
Always there, madam. We have the staff for the same, but they have not arrived yet. But don't worry. The room is just near here, not far from here.
Come on, dear Sukanya. Let's carry our luggage on our own.
Okay.
What about you, madam?
Isha, I'm here for the honeymoon.
Huh? Single person? Single bed? Huh? Your husband has not arrived yet?
Yes, he's arriving. I mean, he's on the way. He's coming from different place, so I'm waiting for him.
Oh, okay. You continue waiting for him. I will look after my work.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, life is so different nowadays. Husband and wife arrive separately for their honeymoon? Or is it that different couple arrive for their honeymoon? Unable to understand this.
Hey, wait, stop. What are you doing? Who are you? What are you up to, trying to steal something? Tell me, otherwise I will make a noise and call everyone.
Hey, relax, Sushe. Hey, it's me, Parsha.
Oh my god, Parsha. But why you have arrived to suspicious way?
What is my stealth? Someone knows us here.
Ka?
So what? If someone recognizes us, then...
Why won't anyone recognize us here?
Hey, it's not like that. Yesterday, a village in Konkan. Someone called me in the toilet. Hey, Parsha, here and there.
That small village in Konkan had a toilet.
Hey, toilet means just a small corner of the farm. On the road. Was there a road? Don't think so. Road like just a dust trail.
But why did you go such a far away?
Come on, Sushe. Don't you know? Hey, I am merchandise of International Sailing Company. Delivery person as a Maharashtra's famous DB.
DB?
Delivery boy. I had come down for the water vessel delivery at your home. And then we both fell in vessel.
Huh?
I mean, we fell in love.
Isha? Naughty.
Hey, where are you going? I have just arrived.
It's not like that. It's just a way of expressing.
Then okay. Then we started calling each other, chatting, and then our on mobile marriage.
Now tell me when we are going to marry, else I will force you to honeymoon on a mobile away.
Hey, for the same, I have come here from Wadala. And you? Fursungi. Oh, I just remember. Tell me, whom were you talking so loudly on the phone some time back? Whose phone was it? Call him right now, in front of me.
Hey, wait. We'll tell you everything. My mobile battery was dead. When I arrived here, you were not here. Then I took the phone of that waiter, called you using his mobile number. I was not sure. Whenever you come down here,
Hey, listen, Sushe. How can I do this? I always ensure timely delivery of all my customers. And do you think I would ditch you? You are my most special lucky person. Would I not deliver your precious things?
ish, naughty.
Hey, but I have not done anything. Oh, got it. Sorry. It is a way of expressing, isn't it?
Ish.
Hey, Sushme. Don't blush so many times here in lobby.
Ish.
If I lose my control na, then there will be havoc here.
Okay, leave it. Firstly, you can book the room. You know, I have been waiting in this veranda since morning. You know that some customers think that I am a worker of this hotel.
Who you? Who? The hell were they? Just tell me.
Let it be. The room booking first. Let's go.
But no one is here. Whom should I ask for room booking? Anyone here? Hello?
Coming. I am there. Some work was pending, so she went there.
Who went where? No one went from here.
Hey, I went there for some work. So, tell me, what?
Well, we are doing fine. Lot of road traffic. So arrive late.
Hey, not that. Tell me, how can I help you? You must be here for a room.
Obviously, room is required. How can we open the... You know? Hey,
Then what are you saying?
what I am saying is right. We both cannot live in open space. Can we? Okay. Tell me.
Huh, tell me fast.
What should we tell? You tell. We write. Huh? Your name. Huh?
Prashant Gavde and Sushma
Sushma Taude.
Gavde. Why?
See, Parsha. Our 40% marriage are done on mobile. When we get the married in real, then I will put your surname Gavde only.
Okay. Gavde is okay. It does not matter as long as the person is same. Write it. Sushma Gavde.
Huh? Do you have any identity proof like Aadhaar card or PAN card?
Huh, we have it. But our photo will not match on our face in the document.
No issue. Just like a compounder can understand the writing of a doctor. Same like that we can understand through identity card. Let me see.
But what I am saying is, there was absolutely no need of hurriedly coming down here.
Look, understand. Coming here, whether it was necessary or not, is my lookout.
No, I am not objecting you coming here.
Objection? Whom are you going to complain about?
Yes, that's true.
Huh? Sukanya? Huh? Have you checked everything?
Nothing as such. Check the water bottles, table drawer, dustbin in the room, bathroom, and one small fridge in the room. Checked everything. Nothing that I can find.
Nothing is there, okay?
That's good.
This is getting too much, Suki's mother.
Daddy, again?
Sorry, dear. That name is just stuck in my mouth. You see, whenever I'm in Kolhapur, I'm always Sukha and you are Suki.
Oh yes, you're feeling very restless, isn't it?
No, I'm not exactly sad, but such a mistrust on me.
Oh, I can't really help it. I don't know, but I'm smelling something foul, as if some dried flower or something else.
Hey, this is a hotel. They have their own kitchen, their own bar. Once the vegetables are stale, they smell like rot. And you know, I don't even touch a drop of it.
And yes, then you need a whole glass full of it.
See, there is no point in arguing with you. See, there is such a pain in my head since morning.
Yes, it's going to pain, cause dizziness. Once in a while that you booze, the body is not able to take it.
That's what I'm saying. Permit to have 1.5 peg daily. My request for the same is pending since many days for your approval. Now you tell me what kind of slow administration is yours. Even government processes get their requests approved immediately and you...
See, now don't divert the subject.
Miss?
Tell me till now, how many prospective grooms have you seen for our daughter?
I'm not counted that. So what?
You have lost the count? What do you mean? Since last month you have been traveling and for every 8-10 days you keep on looking out for the groom and you're outside the house. This is happening for the last 1 year. So now I thought I will personally come down. And now we both are going to find a suitable boy for her.
Hey, but once I shortlist some grooms, I will hand over it to you. And after filtering out the list, and then final approval from Suki should be taken. The complete process was planned by you, isn't it?
Yes, I myself have really thought of everything and I was confident about its success. But I don't know, something has gone wrong and I need some changes somewhere, and that is why I've come here.
I'm not agreeing on this. I will protest against this, and I feel I should do something about this.
What? What are you saying? What kind of protest do you want to say? Are you planning for some silent march on me? And what are you planning for? What kind of planning? No. All these planned things, I know all your tricks.
Something needs to be done. It will be done.
Enough! Oh God, we are in the hotel room and not in our
The way
house.
he's handling situation.
Cool
What is
down.
all this?
Cool down.
What? What are you saying? What kind of protest do you want to say? Are you planning for some silent march on me?
Anything can be done. Don't try to intimidate me. If something
quiet.
needs to be done, there are always infinite of doing.
Oh my
the same.
God. What is going on?
Order.
Hey, nothing doing. No order now. Can't you see? We both are having a fight. Just keep quiet. Nothing.
I am not talking about the hotel order. I am talking about the court discipline of order.
I'm sorry. Hey, he's talking about court orders about keeping quiet. Even he's asking to keep quiet.
But we have paid the rent of this room, right?
Of course.
Oh, then who the hell he is to tell us? Don't quarrel in my own house. What is this?
Hello, mummy. This is not our house. This is hotel room.
Yes, Sukanya, that's what it is. Now just see, this man has made his hotel room as his house and his house as the hotel room.
Hey, what is all the fuss about? Hey, is this hotel or street shop?
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Hey, don't you recognize by his clothes, you waiter? We are CID.
Oh yes, sorry. Cannot understand on the basis of cloth. Constable, sir.
Constable? Do I look a constable? I am a CID.
Yes. I will tell them. Sorry. Hey, waiter!
What happened, sir? You see, his name is Ram Bharose.
Is it? Hey, Ram Bharose, where are you?
Aaya, Havaldar sahab.
Hey.
Coming. Constable, sir. Sorry, inspector. No. CID.
Yes. If you dare to degrade my position, then you will be behind the bar.
Inside? Inside where? We are already inside the hotel.
Hey, you idiot, shall I slap you? Huh? Behind the bar means custody.
Sorry. ACP.
Huh? Again ACP? Huh? You rascal.
Hey sir, upgradation. Have done upgradation. Assistant Police Commissioner.
Oh, is it a higher post? Is it?
No, it's bit lower post.
Hey, Ram Bharose, your bloody mother, I will not wear you now.
No, not like that. It's very highest post, lower than highest post, middle level post.
Okay. Hey, I will take his mother back.
Oh, whose mother are you taking back? My mother is not here.
They are not talking about you.
Isha, he was seeing my file taking.
Not like that. His mother word I used him, I take it back.
See, he's taking back his word. It's not like a physically talking about mother of someone.
Hey, we'll keep shut your mouth.
Yes.
You're going to sing? No, I just asked.
Hey, shut up.
Sorry.
Hey, where are those people who are sitting in their room?
Ha, they are coming.
Hello. I'm business husband Lele.
What is this?
Means I'm a businessman. You see, my head is paining a lot, still is working. So meet my business wife Manu.
Oh, so does she also do business?
What rubbish you are talking, you fool. She's my wife, business wife.
Mr. Lele, not business wife, business woman.
Okay. So, dear inspector, meet my wife. You can call her Mano Lele or Rama Lele also.
जी, आपका असली नाम क्या है?
Mrs. Manorama Lele.
Nice name. I will seek your blessing.
Virtuous. So, meet my daughter. Le Sukanya.
No, I can't accept anything as of now.
Hey, not like that. Surname is Lele, name Sukanya.
Oh, glad to meet you.
Me too.
How is he?
Oh,
Vijay,
she seems to have impressed him quite a lot. Sukanya,
He looks quite sexy.
is your heart twittering?
So friends, tell me who is hotel manager here?
Hey, it's me, Mota Bhai.
Where are the hell you are going?
Ayya, we are not going. We have just arrived here.
Okay. Listen me. Call all the people from their rooms. Here I am checking them. What means? I want to check them.
Then check them in their rooms. Why expose them in front of everyone here in open?
Yes, exactly.
What's the hell? Not them. I want to check their rooms only.
For what? And what exactly are you trying to find out?
That I don't know.
Means?
See, I cannot expose any more details.
But at least expose something.
Isha?
At least below the shoulder and above the knee.
Hey, shut up! Hey, this is not a joke, okay? I want inquiry everyone who is here.
For what? At least tell me the reason.
You see, I cannot tell everything in front of everyone.
If so, if you cannot tell in front of everyone, then you can tell in private to me.
See, Kanye, it's not like that.
Wow, Mom, he made such a cute short form of my name, Kanye.
No. I didn't mean that. The Kanye comes out just casually.
No, it's okay actually, isn't it?
Let me go. I just checking the hotel.
Hey man, what is to see in a hotel? People just stay in the hotel and go out to see some exotic locations around.
I am not interested in any picnic spot. I just want to investigate. I investigate all of you here.
Okay. Start the investigation. Before investigation, if you want to ask any questions, you can ask them.
Huh? Questions? What the questions?
Of course, before investigation, some question need to be asked. How can such an investigation begin suddenly?
I think he's right. But you should also not ask out of the questions, is what I feel. What is your name, please?
Huh? Whose?
Your name, yours. What do you call that? Your that torso does not have your name badge.
Torso means?
Means?
Hey, on the chest.
Isha, then tell that straightforwardly on the chest, unnecessarily using complicated word.
Hey, listen. We are not asking for your identity proof like Aadhaar card or PAN card, etc. Just tell your name, that's it.
No. It's not like that. You see, it's a routine work, so I need to ask some questions, isn't it? Yes or no? I had his name badge, but I guess it failed somewhere.
Yes. So it will be done in a complete legal way.
Right, very right.
Okay. Tell me whose bags are these?
How do I know?
Hey, you told me to ask the questions, so I am asking.
You see, only ask questions relevant to me. This bag is not mine.
Huh? Oh, whose bag is this?
I am not related to this.
It's mine.
And this?
It's belong to Parsha.
What is inside the bag?
It's my clothes.
And in this?
My clothes.
I want to see them.
You are anyway seeing them now.
No, I want to check in inside.
We will not allow you to check it. I won't let you touch the bag of these ladies. She is my 40% wife.
Isha?
Hey, but I am an inspector.
You are not an inspector, but a hawker.
Hawker means?
Seller of murmuras.
Hey, looks, I need to check these bags.
Why?
What if you will be carrying some theft item in it?
Not possible.
What?
He is not even gone to the room yet.
Which room?
In hotel.
I know about hotel, but which room of this hotel?
Room number 110.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it. मुझे पहले वो रूम की तलाशी लेनी है.
Why? Why that room?
No, actually need to check all these room of hotels.
Inspector sir, I did not ask this before, but I would like to know, has anyone complained some thief in hotel?
Lots of complaint received from me.
That you may have received, but any specific complaint you have got from our hotel, that he is asking.
And secondly, do you have any warrant of searching the hotel?
Warrant?
Do one thing. Get it arranged from the police station. Manager, call up the police station and let the inspector talk about the same.
No. No need to call the police now. You think all of you are very smart, na? I will show you my power. Will not spare anymore. I will personally go to the station and collect the warrant. Then we'll search every nook and corner of this hotel. I'm leaving now. Bye.
You will be back again for sure.
We'll have to come. Of course. Bye.
He is a fraud, Inspector.
He is going to bring the warrant. What is fraud about it?
Not about that. In general, he looks like a fraud to me.
Hey Parsha, you are amazing. How did you find out? You taught him a nice lesson.
He may or may not be fraud, but after all, he is a policeman. Remember this.
Hey, and he is not a fraud. He will arrive with a warrant for sure.
Here, Ambarase, come here. Come, we will write down the receptionist requirement advertisement.
Hey, Mota Seth, you think I'm an advertiser man?
Hey, do what I told.
Lot of various type of work done by me. For this, we'll have to charge extra overtime.
Yes, I know.
I did not like it.
Why? I find him a good one.
Hey, you like him, isn't it?
Yes, I mean, he's got a good personality.
Huh.
Isn't it, dear Sukanya?
What are you talking about?
We are speaking about that inspector. Both of us think he will be a good, suitable groom for you.
Oh, so you are matching him with me?
Yes.
You see, Sukanya, I've come down here for your matchmaking, isn't it? Then whosoever we feel, keep an eye on all of them.
You mean you haven't seen him before any time?
How do I see him? He has never been here before.
So this is your way of matchmaking? You will simply come and stay here and observe only those who are coming, and then what are you going to move about it?
Just doing all that hard work is now old-fashioned now. If our destiny is in our favor, automatically the groom will just come to us. Suki, did you like that, Inspector?
That is okay. But who is he? Where did he come from? He was called as a fraud. How can someone call him as a fraud?
So you like that, Inspector?
That is alright, Dad. But that Parsha, does he even know who that inspector is?
Yes, where do we know much about him?
He is an inspector.
Even a blind man can tell about this.
Hey, no. How can a blind man tell? How can he see his dress?
You mean anyone will tell about this?
Even if he is an inspector, we'll find out more details about him.
Let them do their own work. Please don't interfere. There is no need. You keep your work aside and keep on peeping in others' work. No need.
Hey, finding about him means getting more information about him. That's it.
Okay, then it's okay. Come on, dear.
If that inspector comes here and investigates me, then I'll be doomed. Something needs to be done. Something needs to be done.
Absolutely brilliant advertisement matter. You have done it.
Of course. Nicely means if I would not have been in this hotel, I would probably have been a promotional head in some channel. I tell you, in my childhood, a cow gave a birth to a calf.
Yes. But how is that relevant?
Hey Mota Bhai, I clicked the photo of that cow and calf. And that photo was the official sign of a political party.
Hey man, I appreciate you and now you try to oversmart me. That area did not have phones to click a photos or click selfie, huh? Don't tell me, leave it, tell me something. Has that came here?
Who invented mobile? Now find out.
Hey, not that. Why did that inspector came here and what he is trying to find in our rooms? What does he want?
Ruko.
Hey, I am still here.
Mota Bhai, tell me, did somebody break in our hotel yesterday's night?
Last night?
Huh?
Hey, you were here last night.
Okay. What I am saying. Today, morning that Wadala Pursungi had come.
Wadala Pursungi?
At night, Dake and Darode had arrived. Then who was that person who said it's me only?
What are you saying? Police, Dake, Darode.
Hey, not like that, Mota bhai. You don't know it. But I feel someone has burst in our hotel room.
Huh?
We need to find out.
Oh, what are you saying?
Yes. Let's find him out.
What's this?
What?
Where you are going?
Nothing. I was here only.
You just come from outside.
No?
Where you go?
Morning walk.
Now. At evening time. Morning walk?
Hey, a walk is walk. Even if I do it the evening, it's a morning walk only. You see, if morning walk is pending, then that walk done in evening is as good as morning walk.
Leave it aside. Don't ever leave me alone here. I feel afraid.
Scared? What was the reason?
That inspector,
Hey, Sushe, that inspector is not such as a horror man.
he's not a horror, but he must be finding about us.
Why? Are we hiding in some corner?
No, we are not hiding, but we ran away from our homes. We have not run away together, but we are here together.
Yes, not with each other, but we are here to come together.
Exactly. Your family must have complained to police.
Hey, my family won't complain. They know about our affairs. Get mad. And they are not aware about me being here. And anyways, I keep roaming around 20 days in a month. Your family must have complained to the police.
Absolutely not. Told him that I am running away.
What? What did you tell?
I told them that I am running away. That I am running away to get married. We'll go for honeymoon. So don't worry about me.
You told all this?
Huh.
And they permitted you to go?
Huh.
Sushe, if they have permitted us, then why have we ran away?
You only told me that we will have to run away to get married.
I thought your family won't approve our marriage. So I said that.
Family is agreeing to our marriage.
Yes, my mom has sent a gift especially for you.
Are you crazy?
Hey, you are crazy.
We both are crazy. Our families have agreed to our marriage. Why we run away from our homes for marriage?
Hey, now that we have ran away, let's get weds now.
Hey, so that inspector had not come for this reason. Then why should he came?
Hey, let it be. It is not relevant to us. And I tell you that inspector was really trying to be too smart.
Leave all that aside. Listen to me, what I am speaking.
What do you want to say?
Isha. What is this?
That is what you want to say? Okay.
Not like that.
See this?
Then how is that?
What should I see? You don't let me see anything. Only tell me to see this.
Enough of your naughtiness. You are too much. Listen to what I am saying carefully.
Sorry. Now seriously listening. Tell me.
See, what I am saying is there was absolutely no need of running away from our homes to get married.
Hey, you are so intelligent, Sushe. Even though you realize it late, it's okay.
Let it be. So what I am saying is let us plan for a big fat event of wedding.
That will take at least 1 month. Booking the marriage hall, printing the invitation card, invite to people.
No. Let us get married today here itself. But let us invite all people here for our wedding.
That sounds good. How many people must be here in total?
You see, that waiter?
Hey, no need invite to that waiter.
Why? He will help us in wedding preparation.
What? He has become so close to you. He gives his mobile to you. Now he will also help in wedding. I warn you, Sushe, do not try to get close to him. Got it?
Hey, why are you getting so jealous? Ram Bharose is like a brother to me.
Ram Bharose Dada?
Yes. He will help us in our wedding preparations. We'll invite all, okay? We will have to write 3 invitations. Come on.
Why do you need to write this?
Hey, you just come with me. Come on.
Okay, fine.
Hey, what? Getting anything yet?
Yes, but need a chance to find it. But we'll get it, I think.
But what are you exactly finding out?
What are you searching for?
Whatever you are searching,
What I am searching?
that only you know.
Why are you searching for?
Hey, just to help you out. But what are you searching in our hotel?
Hire.
Diamonds? Diamonds in this hotel? Here you will get only cumin seeds, that too only in kitchen. And anyway, since last year you have not been here.
Hey, how did you know that? Did you smell it just like a stray doggy?
Faces. I can recognize on basis of faces. I can remember faces who have been here since last year.
But I am not searching for real diamonds.
So are there any fake diamonds?
Hey, a person who named Hire.
Oh, I see person name here. But no one such of name has checked in our hotel. But if he does come here, you can wait for him. And if you want to call him, you can use my mobile. That is an additional responsibility I have got. But you need to remember his number. I don't know have that person's number. Save on my mobile. Once he arrives, he introduce me to him so that I can save his number.
Hey, just shut up. Talking non-stop nonsense. Shut up.
See, the power has been restored. Sorry. But the way, what do you do?
Robbery.
What?
Then what shall I should say? Hey, you cannot inquire about a stranger who don't you know.
It is not like that. We inquire about every person who visits our hotel. And by the way, I am the hotel one and only chief waiter, Ram Bharose.
No. What nonsense. You have not worn your official dress.
Hey, my duty ended at 5 p.m. So change my dress.
Yes, that's true. Tell me, if a person change his costume and arrive in a different look, then we cannot recognize him. I know a person who work as a doorkeeper in multiplex. He wear his official dress on duty. But when he meet me on some days back, I didn't recognize him. Funny, isn't it?
But you have seen me in my regular dress.
No, not at all.
You are hiding something. Why did you arrive so secretly in this hotel?
You see, I am a massage therapist.
Massager? Hey friend, this is a hotel, not a beauty parlor or massage parlor. Come, go next door.
Next door? Hey, I am not a beggar. I offer door-to-door massage service. If you interested in massage, I will do it.
No, I don't like it.
Don't like it? Then close topic. Let me go in another rooms to ask if anyone interested in massage. I am going.
How to go? Stay here.
How come? It's simple. We ring the doorbell. If someone asks who is it, then
Massage service.
correct. May I go now?
Wait a minute. Wait. No one needs your service here. Because as of now, no allied customers stay here.
What are you saying, Rambhau? Hey, remember some time back, a man was complaining about headache. If the head is massaged, it will relieve from pain, and there might be a honeymoon couple who will require massage which will refresh their bodies. Isn't it?
Honeymoon couple will get massage from you. Instead, they will massage each other.
Yes, it is true.
But how did you know
What?
that a honeymoon couple has arrived in this hotel?
Hey, that's a universal thing. Any hotel or lodge has a honeymoon couple. You see, for honeymoon, already marriage is necessary was the rule earlier, but it is no longer applicable. Now even 40% marriage couple comes down from honeymoon.
You seems to know everything about our hotel.
You see, it's normal. If I visit another hotel and ask the waiter wherever anyone suffering from a headache due to hangover, he will say, "How do you know it?" Then I will tell him, "Give us some remedy for removing headache like a lemon juice, isn't it?" Any hotel has such kind of business customer who suffer from hangover. So tell me, do you have such a customer in hotel?
Oh, yes.
Then give him some lemon juice. He must be on waiting.
Oh, yes. I forget about it. Thank you. I must go.
Let's go. Huh. Finally, he's gone. I was scared if would have caught me seeing my face. Thank God. Where is my bag I had kept? Huh. It must be in room number 110. We'll go and found it. Let's go.
Hey, who are you? What are you doing here?
That means yes, room massage service.
Is it? Great. This hotel has such a service.
Oh.
I want to get massage.
You want it?
Huh.
Oh no. Oh God.
Why? What happened?
Oh no. I never done it before.
What?
It means you. You didn't get massage before from me.
Yes, that's obvious. There will be different customer every time in this hotel.
Yes, it is true. But what's happened? You are my 100th customer.
Nice. It means free service.
No. We'll charge double for the service.
How's that? But this is hotel service.
Yes. But it's a paid service. Paid.
Is it?
Ah.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing here? We need to go for invitation card distribution.
This is massage brother has arrived. Thought of getting massage.
Sure.
Not you. Only I will get it done alone.
No. It's not like that. I can massage anyone.
Is sure?
Sushe, will give a slap, huh? No one else. Only I will get it done.
Okay, let it be. Massage brother, we are getting married at 10 p.m. in this hotel. So you have to attend our wedding. Take this invitation card.
Oh, invitation on toilet paper?
Let it be. You must come for the wedding. Come on. We need to distribute the card only. Only 2 are remaining. One we give to the neighbor and one for Mote and Ram.
Ram?
Oh, this Ram Bharose.
Okay, fine. And our luggage?
Kept in the cupboard. Cupboard is locked.
ठीक है मसाज दादा
हाँ.
आप यहाँ बैठिए
हो.
मैं कार्ड देके आ चला
हाँ. Go fast and come back later. What will do? Where is the bag? That couple must have got it. But how can it be possible? This marriage couple is a troubleshooter. You should do the activities on bed. Why should need to go below the bed? Shit.
Lele. Oh, Lele.
Who is it? Hey, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
We are your new neighbors. Just arrived some time back.
So,
You see, we wanted to invite you for our wedding. So can you all gather in a lounge now?
oh, we'll tell mom and dad. They are not there as of now.
Yes. And you also come, okay?
Okay, yes.
Bye.
Bye.
What to do now? Where the hell is the bag? That stupid Ram Bharose must have got it while cleaning the room. He must have kept at the hotel counter. Or is it that must be have taken it? No. Must find a smart idea to check the counter. Yes.
Hello, Mota bhai.
Hey, hello. Hey, how are you doing in lovebirds? Huh? What are you doing in lounge? Oh, there are no room issue.
No problem at all. Wanted to invite you and Ram Bharose. Where he is?
He must be lying in somewhere in hotel.
Does he drink a lot?
No, not that. I mean, he must be working somewhere in the hotel.
Exactly. Either he is not looking a drunkard, nor he is alcoholic.
How do you know about that?
Sure.
Invitation. Nice to see all of you here.
You are right. Roaming around in every room would be a headache, isn't it?
What, Holmes? What problem?
No problem. Actually wanted to invite you. We have decided to get married before our honeymoon.
Oh, wow.
And this wedding ceremony should happen in this hotel. With all of your presence is what we wish. So you have to come for the ceremony. Mr. Lele, this is invitation card. You all three must come for the same. Mota bhai, inviting you and Ram Bharose together. You see, we haven't printed much card.
Hey, we have not printed actually. Only 4 of them I have written with my own hands.
Oh, no wonder I seem to recognize this paper. Ram Bharose, just check this.
Let me see.
I think I have seen this.
Hey Mota bhai, this is our hotel's toilet paper.
Oh, paper.
But where is the wedding? Here. Hotel. Lounge. What about dinner?
Oh, yes. We'll let you know about it. We all will decide it together.
Oh, but then they are saying no gifts, please.
Correct.
Then are we supposed to attend the wedding or not?
Hey, it is a way of writing that you only need to attend a wedding. No need of any kind of gifts, isn't it?
So they should have mentioned not to get bouquets or gifts.
Huh.
Yes. Actually, it should have been written. But you do come for the wedding.
Just see,
Ah,
myself and Sukanya will just go for shopping.
what shopping now?
In the wedding, so we need some nice, good clothes to wear.
Hey, the wedding is in the hotel itself.
Whatever may be the location for the wedding, I need to have some good saris to wear.
Hey, you are still here?
I have kept them waiting. He is a massager. Hey, you have not gone yet? What are you doing here till now?
Hey, not actually. I need my massage tools. But that I have forgotten at home. So need to bring it. Some oil and other thing also. I will be back in some time.
Okay. Make it fast and come back soon.
Definitely come back. I'm going. Huh.
Hey, wait a minute. Have seen you before. You have any brother?
No, I don't have any brother.
Your face is quite familiar.
No, you see, faces are quite similar of everyone. Yes, everyone. It is not like that. I will get going now.
Mr. Gowde, this. Hi. Congratulations for your wedding. But you have used the lounge and toilet paper, for which you need a pay separately. And most importantly, you did not inform about this at all.
It was not pre-decided, you see. And once room is booked, lounge used to free, isn't it? No separate charges for the same. Right, Mr. Lele?
Point.
What point? Huh? Toilet paper was used an invitation card for which separate charges applicable. And lounge is this only for roaming around, not for wedding. So there will be separate charges for the same.
Hey, but we are marrying on the go. We had not planned for this. Isn't it, Mr. Lele?
Point is there.
Don't unnecessarily make him interfere in this matter.
Come on, they are giving me respect.
Yeah, look, no need of that.
Mota bhai, tell me, if you are given the charge of catering, then I guess no need of giving lounge rent, na?
Yes, that's point.
Yes, then they will hand over catering contact to you only.
Of course.
That's it.
But they use the toilet paper for invitation card.
Leave that aside, Mota Sheth. Think about the menu plan.
Yes. Now I remember.
What happened now?
That man who was here some time ago, he looked like an inspector.
What?
Oh my god, are you really looking for the inspector everywhere? Like that Santaji Dhanaji?
Oh, that inspector name was Santaji Dhanaji?
No name was not known somewhere on the body.
Chest.
Yes, the name badge was not present on his chest.
He is a fraud, I guess.
That inspector is not a fraud.
I am talking about the massager.
Goodness, how did you understand this now?
I understood. It's some time back. I don't think he is coming back with his massage tools. That inspector has not arrived with the warrant.
He will come for sure.
Oh god, she is really being very emotional about it. I did tell you to really inquire everything properly.
The show is not over yet.
I just hope this just doesn't turn up into a tantrum and a circus. I think I'll take her out for shopping. This will cheer her up.
Ha.
Leave all this aside. What I think, Mr. Tavdegavde?
हाँ बोलो ना.
Now what do you want from her?
No, I mean I need to talk to you only.
If you say Tavde Gavde, obviously she will only respond.
Okay. Mr. Gavde, before your wedding, we must have a bachelor party. I think.
Yes, I agree and support for the suggestion.
But why we need a separate party to you?
I also support this.
Huh. Mota bhai, come here.
Why do you need to dig up another mess?
Come on, Mota bhai. I am trying to grow our hotel business and you.
I don't understand the motive. Well, what I am saying is, whatever Ram Bharse told me, I agree to it. Yeah, that bachelor party must happen. But official marriage, a man's freedom is officially over.
Yes, correct. Let's do that after Mrs. Lele and Sukanya goes out for shopping.
Oh, yes, you are banned from drinking, isn't it? No coconut, no water, no cold drink, or even chilled water. Arre.
Don't worry, Mr. Lele. I will provide it through saline bottle.
No, after that I'll be probably on the saline only. Let them go for shopping, then we'll enjoy the party.
Hey, but Parsha, drink in limits, okay? Once we offer garlands to each other, you should not be in a drunk state. I'm warning you, huh?
His freedom is over now itself.
Go, convince her.
That will have to be done. चलो आता हूँ मैं.
Mota bhai, let's start the preparation. Come. Haan.
No, I did not get that lemon juice after all.
That order cancel, Lele. Now direct. Utarahi.
Must take a tablet so that I will feel refreshed. Come on, let's go.
Diamonds? Oh my god. Where are the bangles then?
बांगड्या? मग माझ्या बंटाच्या गोळ्या कुठे गेल्या?
What is it? Let me see. Tablet of Bantas? Who eats Banta here?
Parsha, don't drink too much. I'm warning you.
Hey Sushe, that was not my idea. It was suggested by your brother Ram Dada.
How can he give any idea? He's interested in growing hotel business. Why did you agree to it?
Sushe, we have to adjust with the society norms. That Lele, Mota Bhai, all agreed, and I would be feel left out.
Okay, fine. Just ensure you wrap it up soon and be careful.
Okay, sure. I will be back soon.
Come on, make it fast, groom buddy. Mota bhai, come on, let's go.
Yes, coming.
Come here, fast.
Yeah.
See, if our shopping is back, I will be doomed. Come on, fast, let's go.
Hey, Rambarase, we are prepared. Everything ready?
Hey. Is Jagga here?
Oh, what do you want?
Actually, I want lot of things. But as now need a room here.
Yes, you will get it. Single or double?
Is a party is going on here?
Yes. A bachelor party is going on here. Are you a customer?
Yes, we'll become one soon here.
Okay then. Join us.
Yes, this is a great opportunity.
Hey, what opportunity?
No, just opportunity party.
Sardarji, your ID proof?
Why it is needed? You see me, I am only my ID.
Hey, that is not possible. As per rules of hotel, we need it.
Do that later, Mota bhai. If that shopping comes back now, I'll be doomed. I'll be hacked up. Come on, Sardar, you also join us.
Yes, go.
Yes.
हाँ, cheers. अरे साला तुम भी ले लो नहीं?
Mota bhai, I want to discuss something important with you.
What topic is that?
Nani, need to talk about your hotel only.
Yes, tell me.
Tell me how much is the theft percentage in your hotel?
Hey neighbor, any theft has happened in our hotel?
No, not exactly theft, but you see some of our thing get misplaced, and in return of that thing, some unexpected thing falls in our hands, something like that.
But what have you misplaced? And in return you got what?
I don't know how to explain this.
No, tell me Lele, because I have also experienced the same here, kind of ghostly behavior.
Is it? Right, same experience I've got.
What ghostly thing? You are intoxicated now and talking about ghost and all will damage our hotel reputation, Lele.
I have no complaints about your hotel.
Hey, then explain it in a clear manner.
Any shady deals happening in your hotel? That's what I wanted to ask you.
Hey Lele, what are you talking? Do we sell intoxicating items here?
No, not like that. Any drugs dealings happening here or smuggling, something like that happens here.
Hey man, what the hell are you talking? Oh, I think you have drunk too much.
Mota bhai, cool down.
Dad, what are you doing here? Hey, hello. You are getting married today, isn't it? Dad, what is this?
Hey, how came you are here so early? And where is mother?
She has passed away long back.
Hey, not asking about my mom, about your mother I'm asking, where is she?
She is coming with shopping bags.
Hey, but how did you arrive so quickly with so much of shopping?
All shops are very near. This hotel is in the heart of the city.
Heart of the city. Mota bhai, you are responsible for this chaos.
Hey man, what did I do?
What did I do? You see, the hotel should have been built far away from the city, at least an hour's distance from station. In lonely, calm areas, the hotel should be situated. How can someone build a hotel in such a busy areas of the city?
Hello? What are you doing all this? I'm not blind. You're doing all this in front of me?
I know your vision is very good, Manu, but what you see is not like the same. This is not a big boss house. A bachelor party is going on here. They are all drinking. I am just giving them company.
Huh? You're just giving them a company? I really need to check your mouth.
It will look like embarrassing in front of all. Believe me, I will let you check my mouse mail after some time.
I think I have seen this person before.
Hey, hello, Sat Shri Akal, save me.
Hey, have we met before?
No, I have come here for first time.
Do you have any brother who is an inspector?
No, my brother is not an inspector. I don't have even a massager brother also.
He is a fraud.
Hey, you.
Hey, I'm not saying that about your inspector.
Okay, fine.
You are right, Taude.
Shut up. I'm not Taude. Gaude. She is Taude.
Same thing, but you have a point.
Hey, why do you people unnecessary doubt on me?
She did not mention about massager brother. Then how did you talk about massager brother?
I casually said it.
Hey, do one thing. Pull out his beard. If it's fake, it will come out.
No, I will take it off.
See, he is the same. The same inspector. Hey, you had gone to collect a warrant? Then give it to all. He was saying you are fraud.
You see, I am not a fraud. But I am neither an inspector, not a massager also.
Then who are you and why are you trying to sneak in our hotel again and again?
I will tell everything now. Need to tell it. I am an engineer and no one can hold my hand repairing AC efficiently.
Hey, what you say? If no one...
See, don't crack such lame jokes. I am jobless right now. See, don't crack such lame jokes. I am jobless right now. I was walking near your hotel that night. A rickshaw passed by me and someone threw a red color small bag on the road. I took that bag and saw there were diamonds in it. I was really happy. All my worries were over. And suddenly I heard the police siren. A police jeep was behind me. I got scared and put it back in my pocket and entered your hotel
That डाके दरोड़े?
and hide it back the Taude's room. इसलिए मैंने दूसरे दिन इंस्पेक्टर के गेटअप में आया था, पर मुझे उस रूम में जाने का चांस ही नहीं मिला, इसलिए मैं मसाज वाला बन के आया था, पर देखता हूँ तो क्या वो थैली वहाँ पर थी ही नहीं.
That bag is with me.
How is that possible? I had kept that bag on the reception counter.
I had kept bangles given my mother for Sushma's as a surprise gift.
If you had brought them for me, why did you keep them for hotel?
I thought if that inspector really arrives with a warrant, then we would have demand receipt about the bangles and would have started inquiry. So I kept them at counter. But later when I went to collect it, there were diamonds.
Huh?
And bangles were lost.
Those bangles are with me.
Huh? Why did you go to the counter? And which bag did you hide at the counter?
No, why should I keep it at the counter? I have nothing to hide. What happened? I saw a thread of bag hanging on the counter. I thought of checking it out. Then I saw those bangles. I guess those are yours.
That must be the same.
Yes, even we had got some bag which had some Bantaya Phanta tablets.
That is why I asked you if such shady deals happen at the hotel. If drugs or smuggling. Huh?
Mr. Lele, see, I told you nothing of that sort happens in our hotel.
Huh? Then who has that bag of diamonds?
Hey, I have it.
Let me see. I want some throw real diamonds on the road. Let me check. Diamonds? These diamonds.
Oh no!
These are just pieces of glass.
See.
Great, so there is no confusion now. Clear now.
Wait.
What?
Let me clear some misunderstanding.
What's now?
Papa, I like him.
Ah?
And I think even he likes me. But if it's not like that, then the misunderstanding needs to be cleared now.
So it seems if he's ready, then even you are ready to marry him.
Mama.
Oh God. Isha? Look at that. I was just wondering whether she can blush or not.
By the way, you are Mr.
I am Mahendra Sardeshmukh.
क्या विचार है आपका हमारी सुकी के बारे में?
Actually, nothing to reject about her, but I am not settled in my life.
We'll look after that later. You are an AC master. We'll discuss it later. But tell me, did you like my daughter?
This is my card. Well,
You are giving card?
my mom and dad.
We'll see about your mom and dad later. So I assume you liked our daughter.
Congratulations, Lele.
Thank you.
अरे पर यहाँ हमारी शादी होनी बाकी है और उसी वजह से हम यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं ना. वो छोड़ के यहाँ कुछ और ही हो रहा है.
Yes, have got ready since morning. Distribute invitation cards in afternoon. Roaming around since morning. Nobody is concerned about our marriage. Isn't it, Parsha?
कैसे नहीं, सब रेडी है. होटल तारांगन के पास व्यवस्था है. डोंट वरी, चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं.
Hey, Ram Barose, get those garlands and switch on the Chennai record.
ओके मोटा भाई, ओके.
Come on, let's go for the wedding.
कोण कुठेही केव्हा केव्हा काय काय करते. कोण कुठेही केव्हा केव्हा काय काय करते. हळूच बघता नकळत ओठी हसू आपल्या येते. कोण कुठेही केव्हा केव्हा काय काय करते हळूच बघता नकळत ओठी हसू आपल्या येते धमाल खटके गंमत हटके सारे जमून पाहू धमाल खटके गंमत हटके सारे जमून पाहू धमाल खटके गंमत हटके सारे जमून पाहू धमाल खटके गंमत हटके सारे